If you're seeing the Chrome error code status breakpoint, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This error usually happens because of a browser crash, a bad extension, corrupted cache, hardware acceleration conflicts, or even a damaged Chrome profile. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without needing advanced technical skills. So, if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting tutorials. Now let's jump right into the fixes. The first thing you should try is turning off Chrome hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration lets Chrome use your GPU instead of relying only on your CPU. But if your graphics driver conflicts with a recent Chrome update, it can trigger a status breakpoint crash. To do this, open Chrome and click the three vertical dots in the top right corner, then go into Settings. Once you're in Settings, look to the left sidebar and click System. Here you'll see an option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Turn that switch off. After that, click the Relaunch button so Chrome restarts with the new setting applied. Once Chrome reopens, go back to the website that was causing the error and check whether it now loads properly. If the error is still there, the next fix is to turn off extensions, especially ad blockers. Extensions that change how web pages load, block scripts, or filter content can interfere with Chrome's rendering process and cause the breakpoint error. Start by clicking the three dots in the top right corner again. Then hover over Extensions and click Manage Extensions. On the Extensions page, look for anything that might affect websites, such as ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or page modifiers. Turn them off one by one, especially the ones you recently installed. If you want, you can also temporarily disable all extensions to test whether one of them is the cause. After turning them off, refresh the page or restart Chrome and see if the issue is gone. Next, clear the Google Chrome cache and hosted data. Corrupted cached files can make Chrome load broken instructions or old page data, which can lead to a memory-related crash like status breakpoint. To clear this data quickly, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows, or Command, Shift, and Delete on Mac. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Change the time range to all time. Then check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Once those options are selected, click Delete Data. After the process finishes, close and restart Chrome. Then test the page again to see if the problem has been fixed. Another thing that can cause this error is having too many background tabs open. Chrome can use a lot of RAM, and if your computer runs out of memory or a tab becomes too heavy, it can trigger a breakpoint error. Close any tabs you are not actively using. If you want to see which tab or process is using the most resources, open Chrome Task Manager by pressing Shift and ES key on Windows. This shows you all active tabs and extensions inside Chrome. Look for anything using a lot of CPU or memory. If you spot a problem tab, click it and then select End Process. That can immediately free up resources and stop the browser from crashing. If none of those fixes work, the next step is to create a new Chrome profile. Sometimes the error is tied to a corrupted user profile, and when that happens, Chrome can crash repeatedly across different websites. To create a new profile, click your profile icon in the top right corner of Chrome. Under the Other Profiles section, click Add. Then create a new Chrome profile and sign in if needed. After the new profile is created, open the same website again and see if it works correctly. If it does, that means the issue was likely tied to your old profile and not the website itself. So to quickly recap, the best fixes for status breakpoint are disabling hardware acceleration, turning off extensions, clearing Chrome cache and hosted data, closing background tabs, and creating a new Chrome profile. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue and get Chrome working normally again. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss more quick tech fixes. And if you want, I can also help you with other Chrome errors in the next video. Thanks for watching.